Hello everyone and welcome back to TNV Academy. In this segment, we will delve into the key principles of project management as outlined in ISO 21500. Understanding these principles is crucial for anyone involved in managing projects as they provide a solid foundation for effective project management practices. ISO 21500 outlines several key principles that underpin effective project management. These principles guide project managers and teams in achieving project objectives efficiently and effectively. Let's explore each of these principles in detail. Customer focus. The first principle is customer focus. This principle emphasizes the importance of understanding and meeting the needs and expectations of customers and stakeholders. Projects should be designed and executed with the end user in mind. Regular feedback from customers should be sought and integrated into the project's lifecycle to ensure the final deliverable meets their requirements. Adhering to this principle helps in delivering projects that satisfy customers, leading to higher customer satisfaction and long-term success. The second principle is leadership. Effective leadership is crucial for setting up clear vision and direction for the project. Leaders inspire and motivate the project team to achieve the project goals. Project managers should demonstrate strong leadership by providing guidance, fostering a collaborative environment, and making decisive actions. Strong leadership ensures that the project team remains focused, motivated, and aligned with the project objectives, which enhances overall project performance. The third principle is involvement of people. Engaging competent and motivated people at all levels of the project is essential for its success. Encourage active participation and ownership among team members. Provide opportunities for training and professional development to enhance their skills. When people are involved and empowered, they are more likely to contribute effectively to the project, leading to better outcomes and increased job satisfaction. Process approach. The fourth principle is the process approach. Managing project activities as processes helps ensure consistency and efficiency. Define, implement, and manage processes systematically. Understand the interdependencies between different processes to optimize performance. A process-oriented approach leads to more predictable and consistent project outcomes, and it helps in identifying areas for improvement. Continual improvement. The fifth principle is continual improvement. Continual improvement should be a permanent objective of the organization and project management practices. Regularly review project processes and performance, identify lessons learned, and apply these insights to future projects. This principle fosters a culture of learning and adaptability, leading to enhanced project performance over time. The sixth principle is a factual approach to decision making. Decisions should be based on the analysis of data and information. Collect and analyze relevant data throughout the project lifecycle. Use this data to make informed decisions and to justify actions taken. Making decisions based on facts rather than assumptions leads to more reliable and effective project management. The seventh principle is mutually beneficial supplier relationships. Building and maintaining beneficial relationships with suppliers enhances the ability to create value. Develop long-term relationships with key suppliers. Engage in open communication and collaboration to ensure that supplier contributions align with project goals. Strong supplier relationships can lead to better quality, reduced costs, and more innovative solutions. In conclusion, these key principles of project management as outlined in ISO 21500 provide a robust framework for managing projects effectively. By adhering to these principles, project managers can improve project performance, achieve better outcomes, and satisfy stakeholders. Thank you for your attention. If you have any questions about these key principles or how to implement them in your projects, please feel free to ask now. Thank you.